Hello everyone, today I have a really interesting video in which less than 5 minutes you will learn how to train an effective left face and right face recognition classifier and even learn multiple deployment option. So you won't need any programming knowledge or need to install anything to work with this, and to work with this you need an internet connection with a browser is sufficient. So the tool we are using is Teachable Machine version 2. Just try and write in the Google Teachable Machine dot with google.com. Okay, click on image project. So here you have two classes, upload the images or take the images using webcam for the left image, face image, and right face image. I have clicked on webcam. Now this is my right image, so I have take some images for the training, 66 images, and I will rename this class with the right, RIGHT, right face. Okay, so and next class I will upload the images of left face. Here it is my left, so hold to record the images for the left face. Here is left, 73 images is uploaded. Now I am trying to add another class with the frontal face. Okay, so class 3 will be frontal and class 2 will be left face. So now we need to upload the frontal images and the frontal class, so hold to record the images. 93 images has been taken for the frontal. So now just click on train the model. So now your model is ready for the testing. So you can see my images frontal and the frontal are showing 100% match. The image is showing 100% match with the frontal image. Now if I look toward the right side, so you can see the right face image 99 or 96, 98% matching. Now if I look toward the left side, so you can see the accuracy 100%. Okay, now again frontal, right and left. You can also download the code with clicking on the export model. So click on download and your code will be downloaded. Here is the code. You can see this is the code for the TensorFlow. It's I think code for the JavaScript. Okay, you can download the code, or you can also save your project in your drive. So here is save project to the drive. Next, now the project is preparing for the uploading.